जय श्रीमन्नारायण. 68th sloka from 18th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Svabhavajena Kaunteya Nibaddhasvena कर्मणा कर्तुं नेच्छसि यन्मोहात् करिष्यसि अवसोऽपि तत्. ओम. Perform all your actions by following the means of correct knowledge which is taught by Sri Krishna Paramatma. That is only the way you can get rid of the bondage. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall definitely perform all my actions by following the means of correct knowledge which is taught by you. Ho Srimannarayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्म सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Kasyapa Prajapati teaching Payovratam to Aditi, saying that, O Aditi, I have told you few mantras. with all those mantras. While chanting them with all of your attention and devotion, you have to invite Paramatma and do Arghya, Padya, Achamanas, all these services. Etair mantraihi Hrishikesam Avahana Puraskrutam Archayet Shraddhaya Yuktaha Padya Upasparshanadibhihi. You have to offer all kind of services with utmost respect to Hrishikesha, Kesava, Sri Krishna Paramatma. While chanting Dvadasakshara mantram, that means Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. With the chanting of Dvadasakshara mantram, you have to offer Gandham, garlands to Sriman Narayana. And then you have to do Abhishekam with milk. After that, offer divine garments, Yajnopavitam, ornaments. And again do the Padya, Upacharam and flowers, Dhupam. With all these things you have to serve Paramatma. And then Shrutam Payasi Naivedyam Salyannam Vibhave Sati. You have to offer Payasannam, which is mixed with ghee. Then you have to do Japet Ashtottara Shatam Stuvita Stutibhihi Prabhum Krutva Pradakshinam Bhumau Pranamet Dandavat Muda. You have to chant Dvadasakshara mantram Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya for 108 times. And then do Pradakshina to Sriman Narayana with a great amount of joy and happiness. You have to do Sashtanga Dandavat Pranamam to Devadeva Sriman Narayana. Like that, Kasyapa Prajapati teaching Payovratam to Aditi. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 18th chapter, 60th sloka. Svabhavajena kaunteya nibaddhasvena karmana kartum nechasi yanmohat karishyasi avasopi tat. Svabhavajena kaunteya nibaddhasvena karmana kartum nechasi yanmohat karishyasi avasopi tat. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.